Oh, hi. Glad you could make it. I'm Dr. Murphy. This is Accelerated Physics. And that's my email address, jmurphy3@ebnet.org. Just wanted to say hello and let you know where you're going to report each morning when we have class, and a little bit about the expectations, and then I'll see you Tuesday or Wednesday. Wanted to show you something first up. See that spot on the wall? That's now on me. And that's coming from this. We'll talk about what physics is, but it's basic. It's the most basic science, and we're responsible for explaining everything in the physical world, from subatomic particles to light to galaxies. By the end of this course, you'll understand why that happens there, among many other things. Basically, I think what you need to know at this point is that every morning when you have class, whether you're virtual or in person, you're going to go to the Canvas website, and there will be a link there for a Teams meeting, and we'll begin every class with a Teams meeting. You will be expected, whether you're virtual or whether you're in class, to be logged into that Teams meeting within 3 minutes of the start of the period. So let's set that expectation. That'll keep us on track. Every day we'll do a mix of discussion, instruction using Teams. We'll also go off of Teams, and you'll work on problems. You'll do some things with the textbook, etc. We'll talk about how we do labs, etc. But anyway, just get into the habit every morning. Go to Canvas, find the link for the Teams video, and pop in. Now, this is a weird year, as you know. We're going to have considerably less instructional time than we normally would, but I can promise you, though we won't cover as much material this year as we normally would, you will acquire the habits of mind, the ways of thinking of a physicist, and that's going to be something that will put you in a good position to succeed when you get to college. You will be able to engage an introductory course in physics with no problem. So I can promise you that. However, it's going to take a lot of self-discipline and engagement with self-study on your part. The other thing we're going to need to learn to do is to get everyone interacting on this Teams platform, because I've found, without doubt, the classes that interact the most, that ask each other questions, discuss stuff, they're the ones who do the best. So I will give you instruction on what's important in each topic that we study. You'll do some self-study in the textbook, which is really well organized. We'll work problems together. The math is not that difficult in this course. I'll also say physics doesn't require a lot of memorization. I'll ask you to remember something on the order of 60 or 70 concepts, and they'll typically take the form of an opposition between one thing and another, between left and right, between up and down, between a scalar and a vector. None of those things is difficult in itself. What's difficult are the complex and often very deep relations between those individual distinctions and judgments. So when I talk about habits of mind of a physicist, I'm talking about making judgments of that sort based on concepts and evidence, and then following out the logical consequences. If you look at a number and you decide it's a vector, there are multiple consequences to that. And that's what we'll learn to do. And virtually everything we study will have that kind of a character. So I think you'll find it kind of fun. You'll learn a lot that's unexpected about the physical world. It should intrigue you at some level. Hope you like math a little bit. There is some of that. But basically, we will get you to where you're in a good position to succeed at college. I can guarantee you that. So your task is to do the work. Now, periods 2 and 4 meet on Tuesday, so I'll see you then. periods 5, 7, and 8 meet on Wednesday, so I'll see you at that time. And what we'll have people in class, and we'll have 3/4 of the class virtually. We'll all still move along with the same material. Looking forward to meeting you and getting to know you a little bit and how you think. So have a great Labor Day weekend, and good luck.